Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over the default constraint in MySQL. So the default constraint is just used to set a default value for a column if we do not specify that value whenever we insert data into it. Okay, so let's just say we have a field called city, right? And we have the default constraint for city set to, I don't know, London. Whenever we insert data into that table, if we specify a city, let's say we specify New York, then the city will be New York for that data, right? But let's say if we don't specify a city, then it'll just equal to the default, which is London, right? So that's what we are going to be going over today. So firstly, we have to create a table. And I'm going to create the most basic table ever, which is called persons. And let's just say, let's add an ID of int. Let's set this to not null. We can have a first name, right? You can have a last name. And then we can have the city now. Okay, so let's just do city. Right, so we're going to create a city, do varchar 255. Right, but now what we are going to do at the end of this is we are going to do default. Alright, default, and then inside of here we are going to set the default value if we do not specify the city. So let's just do, I don't know, let's do London. Alright, London. Okay, now let's just create this. Alright, so let's firstly let's just do describe. To describe persons, right? So you can see whenever we create the whenever we create the table, you can see that the default here for all of these fields is null. Okay, but you can see for city that the default is London that we have set whenever we create the table. So whenever we insert data, if we don't specify city, the default will be London. Now, one thing I must say, you can see the way the ID is. Even though ID, the default is null, we still need to specify ID because null is no. We can't have this value as null. Alright, same thing goes for this. You know, it's if we set non-null onto this, it'll just be odd because we need to set a value, right? But let's just insert the value, right? So let's just do insert. So insert into the table. So insert table persons. Let's do so we do ID, we do first name, and then we do last name, and then finally we do city. Then we do values. The values that we want to insert are, I don't know, we'll do 1. We'll do Peter, I don't know, Ronaldo. And then let's say we do another one called, I don't know, let's do something like Paris is a good one. Right, that's because, okay, well, I'm great. You don't need table. Boom. Okay. Now you can see whenever we do select all from persons. Okay, you can see whenever we inserted a value, we have specified the city, which is Paris. So the city will be Paris. But let's say that we insert a new value without city. So let's remove city altogether. Let's have the second value as 2. Now you can see even though we haven't specified the city, we are still able to insert the value. But now you can see even though we haven't specified the city whenever we inserted this piece of data, you can see that it just set the city to its default, which was London. Okay, so that's the way the default constraint works in MySQL. That's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.